What's up everyone, welcome back to another video of Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to lock and hide apps on iOS 18. So the first one, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iOS 18. So I'm going to do this for this particular app called Allow Me. So what I need to do is I just need to press and hold like this. So they're going to ask you for required Face ID. So I'm going to go for required Face ID. So I'm going to go for required Face ID only. So I'm going to go over here, and as you can see, it's been set. So whenever I'm trying to open this, it's going to ask me the Face ID so that only it will be logged in, which means it will be unlocked. So you'll be getting the access. This is what you have to do as the first one. So this is how you can lock any apps. So this is not available for all the apps, but down the road it will be available. So you can do this for some of the app. So the next one is all about how to lock and hide apps on your iOS 18. So I'm going to do this for the privacy. I'm going to do this for Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to press and hold like this. So they're going to ask you the question require Face ID. Just tap on this one, and there is an option called hide and require Face ID, and this is what you have to do. So just tap on hide and require Face ID, and right now I have given the Face ID over here, and as you can see, I'm going to do it once again. So the thing is, my Face ID was not detected, so I'm going to do it once again. Let me do like this once again. Go over require Face ID. I'm going to go for hide and require Face ID. So as you can see, I've given the Face ID and we'll be getting this option. So you have to tap on hide app. So it is quite important that you have to give the Face ID properly, and once afterwards good for hide app. So right now, as you can see, the Instagram is completely hidden and you're not having access to it. You cannot find Instagram anywhere else, so it is hidden. In order to get the access, what you need to do is just go over here and you have to scroll down, and there is an option called hidden. So you have to tap on this and along with give the Face ID. So right now, as you can see, the Instagram is available, and now you can use the Instagram from here. So this is what you have to do. At the same time, after hiding the app, like I said, so it is kind of like a, what I have to say, kind of privacy, so that using down the road, you are getting a privacy, like the people or your close friends cannot be getting access because you need to give the Face ID in order to use this particular app. So right now, the next question is, after hiding this app, so if you wanted to unhide it back, so what do you have to do? So do the same, just go over here, navigate to this particular one. So you have to give the Face ID. And I have to give the Face ID properly, and it is available right now. So you have to press and hold the app. So there is an option called don't require Face ID. You have to tap on this. Okay, give the Face ID once again, and right now it has been removed from the hidden. So now you are going back and you cannot find the Instagram. As you can see, I'm not able to find the Instagram, and what do you have to do? So what you need to do is just go over here, search for Instagram. You can search for the Instagram. Now just press and hold, and you can bring the Instagram over here, and you can just keep it over here. So it is done. So this is what you have to do. So some users might be having an issue. So I have shown you both how to hide it and unhide it, and how to lock it. So this is all about kind of a privacy, and I really appreciate Apple for bringing this up. But you have to keep in mind, this is what you have to do, and this is how you can hide and unhide as well as lock and unlock the apps on iOS 18. I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.